Good morning, children. We are discussing about stereotype and discrimination. And what is stereotype? When we fix people into one image, we create stereotype. We see example of girls and boys, and many examples we see. And discrimination means when discrimination happens, when people act their prejudice and stereotype, that time discrimination happens. When we are act, people act prejudice and stereotype, that time discrimination is happening. Okay, all these things are inequality. This discrimination, prejudice, stereotype, all these things are the part of inequality. Okay, then what is inequality? We already see. That is, inequality comes about when a person does not have the resources and opportunities that are available to others. Okay. Example we see about boys and girls. Why they can't do? Why girls can't or women can't drive motorbike or vehicle? So that is a stereotype. That is a prejudice also. We are fixing one image. They can't do that one. So that is prejudice and stereotype. Okay, why they can't? So that is the resources and opportunities that is not available to these people equally. Okay, boys or gents can drive all the vehicle. Why that can't do women or girls? So that is known as discrimination. Okay. So if you do something to put other people down, if you stop them from taking part in certain activities and jobs, or stop them from living in certain neighborhoods areas, okay, prevent them from taking water from well, all these things are discriminations or inequality. Okay, discrimination can take place because several reasons, not only that, many reasons. Okay, many reasons. It can be based on religion, it can be based on money. Okay, it can be based on language, or in certain regions people are discriminated. Many reasons are there. In first chapter we studied about Samir Ek and Samir Do, isn't it? And one is poor and one is rich, and their language is different, their religion is different. So like that discrimination can be happen. If I am in a certain religion, member of a certain religion, the people are avoiding. Or if I am in a certain caste, others are avoiding. All these things are discrimination. Or if I am speaking other languages, I am discriminated. Or I am in a lower caste or Dalit man, I am discriminated. All these things are discrimination. Okay. So diversity, we studied about diversity. Many differences studied, but these diversities can be sometimes reason for discrimination or inequality. That is about a religion, about a language, all these things, regions, all these things can be reason for discrimination and inequality also. That is main things. Okay, and some people may experience both kinds of discrimination. They are sometimes they are poor, and the same time they are lower caste or lower caste man. So that time they don't have money also, like that they are discriminated, and they are avoided from the society because they are lower caste. So like that also can be happen. So it is very bad situation. You have to avoid all these discrimination, prejudice and stereotype, everything we have to avoid. All are equal before the law. That is our constitution giving. So all are equal before the law means we have to get opportunity and resources how others are getting. The same thing all people need to get. That is here very important. And one common stereotype about the Muslims in your textbook is given. That is, they are not giving education to girls. Okay, but in Kerala it is not like that. Kerala, but in example of Kerala, that means we can all over the areas there is schools, elementary schools, plus 2 and high schools and colleges there is. So that the nearby the home there is schools. So that is why in Kerala Muslims are educated, or tribals or Dalit people are educated. But in northern side, in other state, it is not a situation. The school is so far from the home. Okay, so far, maybe 25, 30 kilometer far from, or 100 kilometer far. So the Muslim community is not secure in that area. I said discrimination also happen, because in that area maybe Hindus are living, and other religions also, major religions, and Muslims may be minority, only less people. That time they feel insecure in the society. Like that, maybe they will not send to these children to school, or girls, they feel that they are not secure, because this many kilometers they have to travel, and all others are strangers, so that they are not sending to school. But in Kerala, nearby home, there is schools. 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer far, there are many schools. So, and bus also available. Transportation also very good in Kerala. So all are educated, equally provided. But in other states, it is not getting equally. There is not much bus, and vehicle is not available, and school is so far from the home, and they are insecure, they are less people, so maybe a majority can be make problems there. So all these things are the reason why they are not sending these women to school, girls to school. Okay, that is the reason. So we are giving a stereotype. The Muslims, they will not give education to girls. That is not a true. Because of this reason, they are not sending. Kerala situation is reverse, because all the development is happen here. School is near and everything is near, so they are educated. That is the reason. Okay, that is a stereotype about the Muslims that we created. That is not a true. Okay. So about the Dalits, what do you mean by Dalits? Dalit is a term that people belong to so-called lower caste. Meaning is broken. They themselves saying they are Dalits, broken caste. Because of discrimination and inequality, they broken. They broken. Okay, so that Dalit meaning broken, broken caste. Because of this reason, they are broken. And one story is given in your textbook about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, that story you can read. He was also lower caste, Dalit man. He was coming from Mahar caste, that is a lower caste. Okay, and his bitter experience is explained in the chapter, when he was going to his mother's house or father's house. In that railway station master and others are badly treated because of he was a lower caste. So that is why. So that is given here an example. Okay. So thank you. Today's class is going to end. So you have to read these chapters thoroughly, and if you have any doubt, you have to notice that one, and when you can ask to me directly, call and ask, or any message or anything you can send to me. So please read and understand the textbook thoroughly, then only you can understand. Okay, thank you. I will give the work later.